Hello everyone, I'm Stanley Poon, junior sous chef of the restaurant Amber at the landmark Mandarin Oriental. I'm from the Netherlands and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Saucijzenbroodje. Saucijzenbroodje is a Dutch sausage pastry, and what we need for the Saucijzenbroodje is in the capture. So the first thing we do, we crack the eggs in a bowl. And we're gonna whisk it. And we take another bowl, and then we will mix the beef with the pork. Half of the eggs that we just mixed. To go with that, some bread crumbs and the spices you like. A nice thing about this recipe is you can season this meat with all the spices you like. For now I'm using chili pepper, some thyme and some rosemary. You can also do it with some cumin or maybe oregano or whatever you like. And we'll finish it with a little bit of salt. So now we have mixed this all together. Now it's time to take out the puff pastry. So we have some puff pastry here, cut in a square. You might have it in the supermarket already cut for you. I did it 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. So let it defrost a little bit so then you can work with it. So these are a little bit more flexible now. So if they are still frozen, just keep it 1 minute on your cutting board so you can work with it. So what we do now, we gonna scoop out some meat and put it on top of one side of the puff pastry, and then push it a little bit down like a flat sausage. And then we do one more over here. Alright. So then we turn the puff pastry and then we're gonna fold the other side over the meat. The ends you can leave it open, doesn't really matter. So now you just press with your fingers and then use another fork to close it. So now here we have sausage roll. So I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna use the other half of the eggs and brush the puff pastry. And then we put it on a baking tray with some parchment paper. And then we cook it off in the oven, 200 degrees for around 15-20 minutes till golden brown. So the Saucijzenbroodjes are pretty much ready now. Let me check the oven. So now we have here the Dutch sausage pastries, also known as Saucijzenbroodjes. Enjoy, eet smakelijk!